Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For the April edition of Smash or Stash, it is Crafter's Choice, and I decided to do a couple things. I have a kit that I wanted to dive into, and then also break open and finish off a paper pad. So I'll start with the paper pad first, because that's probably the most, I think, fun one of them all. So these right here, if you've seen videos on my channel, I create these little brag books, and all I do is get 6x6 papers. If I don't have 6x6, then, or a paper pad in a 6x6 size, then I just cut it down to 6x6. And there's this one paper pad that I had, I think, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years, and it was by Recollections. I believe it was Recollections, and it was a hot buy, and I just held it. I got it because I thought I loved it, and I thought it looked really cute. Looking back now, I still think it's pretty cute, and I've never used it, so I just made brag books out of them. This actually is the entire set of double, or actually single-sided paper from that collection. I just, it came with 2 sheets of each design, and I decided to make one. Actually, there's 2 books like this size. Now these are just selected number of sheets, 7 in total, and I just glued them together. Same with these right here, all 7. Only 7 in total. Just kind of glue them together, and they're separate. I do plan to, of course, put the binding strip and also decorate the fronts of every one. I might decorate the back, I'm not sure yet, but I haven't had a chance to do that. I'm not able to craft as much as I used to, so unfortunately I didn't get to finish my projects that I wanted to this month, but I'll definitely be posting some Instagram photos to let you know, to see how these turned out at the end. They're super cute. And again, like I said, this, I didn't get a chance to score and glue these together, but this is supposed to be another one of these smaller books, and this one's going to be the second larger book. So, yep, that's what I have going. And these are going to be for me. I have some photos that I want to print out and put in the books, and yeah, that's gonna be, I know that is a lot of albums there, but I do plan to do that. This right here, I'm gonna be having a crafty day with some family members and some church members, and again, like, that's a lot of books for me to have all those books, and I think it'd be a great gift idea to those who are attending, just to have them, here's a paper pack, or like not a paper pack, but a cut down 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and this is what we can make together if you choose to make them, or make cards if you want to make cards of that. But I do plan to at least finish one of these, or bring one over that's already done, of course using a different paper pad, and show them what they can make, and actually show them how to do it. This is very super easy. It's so easy to do. I do have a tutorial on my channel, which I'll link in the description box below in case you want to take a look at that. And this wasn't really my idea. I got this from Maymay from Maymay Made It. She had this video, I think, maybe about 3 years ago, and ever since then I've been making all kinds of brand books that way. So I like Simon Says Stamp. I just love their products. It's really good. I like to subscribe to their kit, and this month, actually they do have limited editions of special kits, and this is the Easter kit, the Joy of Easter kit, and I really liked it a lot. And so what I did was I made some cards out of these, and I actually made some religious Easter cards for our family members, and these are for people that don't celebrate Easter the way that I do. So I do have a bunch of friends and family members that don't celebrate like I do, so I still want to give them an Easter card. So just real quickly, this was part, there's a paper pack, part of a paper pack with some selected stickers there. Yeah, so cute. This is probably my favorite one. Well, it's 1 o'clock in the morning where I am right now, and I'm filming this. I'm not going to stop the video though. So with the paper pack, you know, of course I have, you know, scraps from this, and they give us really heavyweight cardstock, really nice heavyweight cardstock to create our cards or whatever it is that we're going to make. But because I had so many scraps from all this, I didn't want to make many more cards. I just wanted to make a book because I am going to be taking lots of pictures of my beautiful kids and my family. So I decided to make a book. I stitched it using a Coptic stitch method, and I used yellow binding thread. I love it. It's so beautiful. I love it. It looks like a braid. The kit came with a stamp set, and also I had purchased the dies with the stamp set. The stamp set doesn't, or the kit doesn't come with this dies, but I purchased them anyway. And then, excuse me, and then all I did was stamp the images, and any leftover paper I put on the back side. The reason why I did that was because these images that I colored, I used alcohol markers and they bleed through. So I had to cover that up somehow. So that's what I did here. This was going to be a card, but there was a lot of bleed through, so I just put it there. And this was actually a thinner cardstock compared to these other two, the pink and the green. Yeah, and some of these I have little tuck spots here. Actually, let me see. I think there's some more. Okay, maybe not. Maybe back here. Yeah, here's some tuck spots right here. No, that's not a tuck spot, but this is a tuck spot right here. Super cute. I love it. Ah, so pretty. This is probably my favorite page. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because of the bunny, or it just looks really nice. And the back. Well, that's the end of my project share. Really sorry about all the noise in the background, and then my voice was going out, but like I said, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, the day of this is supposed to go, and I'm just going to post it as is. If you like this project share, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please also stay and check out the description box below to find links to the other collaborators to see what they made this month. Thanks until next time.